Hi everyone! Welcome back! So, today, mag-unboxing tayo ng tooth clean na panlinis ng teeth. But it's not for me. It's a present for my asawa. So, surprise to sa kanya. Hindi niya kasi alam na in-order ko. But sabi niya, orderan ko daw siya. Kaya niyang bumili. Gusto niyang ako talagang bumili. Okay, so it's time to unbox. So, ang laman nito is the tooth clean device, which is a glide bending LED light dental cleaner. So, this is safe to use, tapos rechargeable with built-in LED high frequency light. LED light, okay? So, ang laman ng box, guys, is my ultrasonic cleaner, which is smart siya. Tapos, may libreng toothpaste, which is ultra probiotic. And then, so yan na ang device. Titignan natin ngayon. So, ang laman ng device is my mirror, dental mirror. Tapos, may dalawang cleaning tip which is flat and pointed. Tapos, may wrench din siya for adjustment. And then, napaka-safe nito, guys. So, yan, may power button, may battery indicator, tsaka yung intensity level. So, yan, may manual din siya. So, ito-try na natin siya ngayon. Kung okay ba, tignan natin ang reaction ng asawa ko. So, ina-adjust niya pa. So, yan, may ano din siya, holder. So, hinihigpitan niya pa. So, try natin. Oh my God, nakakagulat. But, tuloy-tuloy lang. Na-order ko pala to sa Facebook. So, kung gusto niyong mag-avail, check niyo lang yung page nila. Glide Tooth Clean. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye!